Hey, drone enthusiasts! Are you looking to capture epic aerial footage in 2024? We're diving deep into the hottest camera drones on the market, comparing features, price, and flight performance. Buckle up and get ready to find your perfect flying camera. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro made waves in May 2022 by revolutionizing the ultralight drone category with collision sensors and a 4K 60 FPS camera that could rotate to vertical mode. Less than 18 months later, the Mini 4 Pro takes it further with omnidirectional collision sensors, 10-bit D-Log-M video, waypoint programmable flights, and HDR at 60 FPS, surpassing the Air 3 Pro's 30 FPS limit. The Mini 4 Pro features DJI's upgraded O4 radio system, boasting a theoretical range of up to 20 kilometers, over 12 miles, and excellent reception within practical distances. It also offers the updated DJI RC2 controller, which includes a built-in screen for convenience. In the US, users can choose between standard and extended batteries, boosting flight time from 30 to over 40 minutes. However, the drone will detect the weight change and can alert authorities. Despite its higher price, which edges closer to DJI's high-end models, the Mini 4 Pro proves that DJI won't let weight restrictions hinder creativity. For budget-conscious users, the DJI Mini 3 is a viable alternative, offering similar video and still quality without the advanced sensors and features of the Mini 4 Pro. Number 2. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 offers a compelling package at a price that's more accessible than some higher-end models. Despite some reservations about its slightly smaller image sensor compared to the Air 2S, the Air 3's modern stacked CMOS sensor, available in two configurations, a 24mm EFL wide lens and a 70mm EFL medium telephoto lens, provides significant advantages. Both sensors boast 48-megapixel resolution, enabling 100 fps 4K slow motion or 200 fps at 1080p, and maintain consistent performance across both lenses. This hardware consistency ensures smooth zoom transitions without the software strain seen in many smartphones and even some drones like the Mavic 3 Pro and its predecessor. The Air 3 is akin to a streamlined version of the Mavic 3 Pro, retaining key features such as AI subject tracking, waypoints, and excellent battery life, while being lighter and more user-friendly. This makes it a versatile option for both hobbyists and professionals who don't need the full capabilities of higher-end models. For occasional survey work and impressive 4x zoom imagery, the Air 3 is a strong contender, effectively bridging the gap between DJI's mid-range and premium offerings. Its balance of features, performance, and price make it an attractive choice for many users. Number 3. HoverAir X1. This drone may not be ideal for younger kids without some parental supervision, and it's not the cheapest toy around, but it offers a unique and compelling experience that the whole family can enjoy. I found it to be a great addition to my collection. What stood out was its safe design and AI capability, allowing it to follow me, taking off and landing on my hand without needing a phone after the initial setup. The built-in speaker reassures you with voice prompts, and simple buttons on the frame make operation straightforward. Think of it as an angel on your shoulder, easily passed between family members, following them during activities like running or cycling. Despite its limited flight time and range compared to other drones, it compensates with a lower price, smart features, and safer caged propellers. Choosing this drone means compromising a bit on flight duration and range. It can be controlled via your phone, within Wi-Fi range, or fly autonomously, but its resolution and flight time aren't on par with most ultralights. However, its affordability, intelligent design, and enhanced safety make it an excellent choice for family fun. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a formidable drone, featuring a triple camera system centered around a 24mm EFL main camera and two secondary cameras for a hybrid zoom experience. While this setup might initially seem unusual, especially if you're accustomed to similar systems on smartphones, the main 20-megapixel camera stands out with its professional-grade adjustable ISO, exposure, and aperture. Though the secondary cameras aren't as impressive, they are a significant upgrade from the original Mavic 3's dual camera system. The medium telephoto camera has an f2.8 aperture, and the telephoto camera has an f3.4 aperture, delivering solid imagery. The main Hasselblad camera offers superior quality, and with the Cine option, ProRes video. Unlike the swappable cameras on the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 Pro's additional cameras don't match the main camera's system, but they still enhance its versatility. The drone can switch between lenses or use digital zoom up to 28x, with noticeable jumps at 3x and 7x. The Mavic 3 Pro excels in various scenarios and boasts a remarkable hover time of up to 43 minutes, allowing it to cover over 15 miles in a single flight, ideal for survey missions. Despite its folding form factor often associated with consumer drones, this perception is outdated. The Mavic 3 Pro is an aerial camera that, while exceeding most weight limits, offers impressive portability and is priced for professionals. Number 5. Autel EVO Lite Plus. When exploring the world of drones, it's easy to assume DJI dominates the field. However, the EVO Lite Plus by Autel Robotics offers a refreshing alternative, particularly appealing to photo and video enthusiasts. Its price has become more attractive since launch, making it a strong contender. Despite its name, the EVO Lite Plus isn't Autel's lightest model, that's the Nano, which competes with the DJI Mini 3. The EVO Lite Plus is best seen as a more compact version of their main EVO drone. To put it in context, the Mavic and EVO, both around 900G, set the standard, with smaller drones emerging to meet regulatory demands. This drone is ideal for those who prioritize technical specs over digital solutions. Unlike the new DJI Air 3, which moved away from a 1-inch sensor, the Lite Plus boasts one offering 2.4 UM pixels and 5.4K video. Its 29mm EFL lens isn't as wide as most drone cameras, providing a unique perspective. So which drone reigns supreme? After a close fight, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro takes the crown. Its incredible Hasselblad camera, epic flight time, and intelligent obstacle avoidance make it a beast for stunning visuals. But the perfect drone depends on your needs. Let us know what you're looking for in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.